Hi guys, this is Jay with Inspired Designs with Jay, and I am doing a walkthrough of an empty apartment. I have a new client that will be moving into this unit, and we're going to be redecorating this unit. And stay tuned. If you'd like to see how we go about redecorating, please stay tuned. This is the bedroom. And she has a walk-in closet. And in the walk-in closet, it's her washer and dryer. And it wraps all the way around. Sorry, there's no lights on. I don't think. Oh, it is. My bad. There are lights. And this is the walk-in closet.
This is so cute. I see the screen struggle.
Here's her bathroom. Nice floor, wooden floor. Plenty of space.
Oh, cool. That is cool. I've never seen anything like that.
And
Any chance we could get them to...
here is her kitchen.
Because it looks like it's struggling. See, like it's just kind of hanging over.
Oh, yeah.
It looks like that could be...
So add that to your walk.
And the floors are the same as in the bathroom. It's about 700 and something square feet. And we'll be redecorating.
Oh, I heard you something. It's gonna work. And I'm a fresh air lover. That would be letting in things. That would be a lot.
Yeah,
Does
so
anyone-
that would be something to put on your list.
Okay, does anyone have a pen? Because for some reason, I didn't use the better part of my brain and put mine in first.
Look in here.
Perfect.
Fireplace with shelving next to it. Just awesome. A small little coat closet.
Okay, well, then you
Here.
very much you ladies have it.
Okay, thank
You
you.
have a good weekend.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you
You
so
too.
I don't work Monday, but Sean will be there if you need anything.
Okay.
Otherwise, I'll be there Tuesday.
Okay, thank you
Okay.
so
You're
much.
welcome.
Bye, new leasing best friend. I'll see you around.
Okay. Thank you, ladies.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, this is like my mom's thermostat. It says emergency. Quickly.